Happy Friday, everyone. It is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. It is Friday, I'm still going to be aggressive, but I'm not going to be, I'm not going to do anything that's going to jeopardize my week or anything like that. So we'll see what happens, but this could potentially be a very boring video. But hey, who knows? Maybe this will be the most exciting one I've ever made. We shall see. Market opens up in less than a minute. All right, going for my first order entry here on FTNT at 34.01. Just in case it does break through. So I got my first 500 there. Okay, now I'm up to that. Very nice. So I'll look to add some more here. Get some buy orders scattered around out there. I mean, this thing is getting really stretched here to the downside. So I have 1,100 shares at 33.87 average. So still relatively small. So let's see if I can get some sort of bounce up here. We'll look to pick up some more if it wants to pull back. So I will pause. Well, okay. Did I get any? Nope, not any out yet. So that's what I'm looking for, some sort of hammer like that. Let's see if it can push up through 90. Okay, now I have 200 shares left. So what I'm going to do for that is, if it hits 33.95, I'll get all out. But if it wants to keep moving up, I'm just going to move up the stop loss. So let's move it up some more. Okay, so all out there. My final were taken out at my final 200 were taken out at 34.15, so $166 there real quick. Let's see what else I can find. All right, looking to enter into SSYS here at 26.75 for the initial entry point. So I'll keep you updated. All right, I am in. I got those at 75. I have some buy orders scattered around out there, but we'll also look to add to the position if it can get to up above 27. So you can see here, getting pretty overextended to the upside. So putting out a couple more orders out there. So that's where things currently stand, just kind of a waiting game to see if it wants to pull back or not. I will keep you updated. All right, I'll keep it going now since it looks like we could be breaking through 27. All right, I will pause it. Okay, I apologize, but pullback happened very quick, and I got out. I'm going to go ahead and take those off, and then what I'm going to do is go up here and just put a stop. So for the rest of those, so now I'm just going to move this down. It looks like I may be getting stopped out. All right, put those down at 71 now. See if it wants to roll over. I realize I'm being super tight with my stop, but like I said and prefaced the video with, it is Friday, so I mean, all right, so stopped out there. So I only made $5 in those ones. I actually took a loss of what, 3 cents on those final 300 shares. So I still finished green on the trade, but you know, since I did take a loss on those, but like I said, just had my stop loss and wanted to give it some wiggle room I actually wanted to get out at what, 71, but I didn't get filled until way up at 78. But that just comes with the territory of these bigger spread ones. So I mean, I'm not like mad about it. I understood that was the potential, but I do want to put another order out there. If it does want to get through 27.40 or 27, the round number, then we'll just start this whole process all over again. So let's see if I can capture the break of 27. We'll see how fast it moves. Like I said, this one moves fast, so I know I didn't capture the exit points, but let's see if I can capture it here. All right, I'm going to pause, and I know as soon as I do, it'll probably move, but all right, nope. So 27, obviously a lot of sellers right up at that area. So I'll pause it. All right, I am back. I was not paying attention at all to trading per se. I was actually working on some retirement account stuff with Apple, and I have some covered calls and such. So I was doing some managing of the retirement portfolio. Given, you know, Apple's actually having a pretty good day right at this point in time. So just wanted to do a few things over there, but I guess the point I'm trying to make is I was not paying attention at all to the trading. So it is about 10:15, so 45 minutes in. I mean, it's Friday. I kind of want to wrap things up pretty soon, but and just enjoy the weekend. But I'd like to capture something first, so let's see if I can find something. While I search real quick, I want to address the question that I think's been helping out since I kind of do it in all these videos now. But if you're wondering how am I finding these stocks that I'm trading, how am I, you know, just locating them in a pretty quick manner, I put together a free resource guide here where I just talk about all the tools that I am using. It's totally free. Just sign up right there and I'll email it to you. It's a one-page thing, so by no means is it going to take you multiple weeks or anything to read through it. So, you know, I definitely had time efficiency in mind when I put it together. So like I said, if you think that could add some value to you as a trader, go ahead, click right there, and I will email it to you. All right, I apologize, but I just have to wrap this up now. There's too much stuff going on right now, and I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of getting a little irritated, not irritated, just a little stressed out because I got people asking me questions from all different directions, and when my option, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it's going against me, so it's just kind of like when it rains, it pours type thing. So I'm just going to wrap it up, and I'm on the edge of kind of wanting to now just hurry up and force a trade so I can end this video, but force a trade, that's not good. So we did catch a couple of trades here. I got to catch pretty much a loser, SSYS. I realized that I came out, you know, ahead by $5, but essentially that was a loser just because, you know, I lost actually on those 300 shares. But all in all, it's Friday. You know, it's not even 10:30 yet. I'm up 171, so I'm not going to complain about that. So thanks for watching. Have a great week.